everyone. Danielle Hayashi here. So I just wanted to do a quick pre-market look at what I'm looking at. Especially I want to talk about Tesla. I'm watching that now. Let me zoom out and show you the daily. It did have a bit of a pullback and some retracement. Of course, the major resistance all-time high, as you can see here, was 968.99, and then after that, naturally it went down a bit, all the way down to the 700s, even the 600s, and now it's making its way back. So let's go back to the 5-day, 5-minute chart here. Um, Last Friday it was dipped. Its low was around 722, but now it's trading up near 800. It's kind of holding that level, but right now it's just below VWAP, the purple line. My opinion is that it's going to retest some highs, maybe not 960, but I could definitely see 850 this week. And maybe because shorts get squeezed, and I think a lot of people were under the impression that it was done, which I honestly, in my own opinion, again, this is not financial advice for anyone, I don't think that it is. I think it's going to have some more juice in the tank. So, yes, there's Tesla. I'm looking maybe between 820 and 850 this week. But I would also cash out early because the fact that it rebounded from closing at $748, as you can see here, last Friday. Those kind of moves are not of a normal stock. So when that kind of thing happens, you definitely want to lock in your profits. Okay, let's look at another one that I think is oversold, CMG. That's Chipotle. It's kind of making a little bit of recovery. It is below its actual closing price last Friday, but I do like the potential for this one only because it dropped from $905 all the way down to lows around the 850s. And to be fair, it actually is holding the 850 level. As you can see here, it's not going too far away from that, and it has been moving up a little, and VWAP has been moving up consistently with it. So I do like that one as well. And let's look at the daily for it. Yeah, so if you see, the daily is a more exaggerated version of that drop. It was at the 905 and it dropped all the way down to 850, but it's holding that level, so it's possible it could make somewhat of a recovery. And even if the recovery is small, there's definitely a good risk to reward there and potential for profit. Okay, another one that I like, Shake Shack. I like this because of the daily. You can see that it's curving up. Its low point was 65. Now it's up near, it's 74.01 was the last sale price. The bid is currently 74.01 and the ask is $75. So there's a little bit of a spread there. It has potential, and as you can see here also, there was a big drop as well. I'm actually in a swing of it. I would look for the 79 level and get out around there if it can keep continuing upward toward 80. But I would not wait for 80 on the dot because it's an obvious round number and where a lot of people would have their buys and sells put. So be careful of trying to get the pinpointed price. You're not always going to get that. Okay, so we did Tesla, we did CMG, we did Shack. Let me see here. I want to look at BA because that's a huge stock and it's always seeming to hold up even on bad news. And it's something I've traded a lot. Okay, so BA looks like it closed at $336.75 on Friday. It's actually up around $1 since that, almost exactly $1 since last Friday. Based on the daily here, it could go to 340, which is possible. It's not that far away at all. And once BA gets volume and momentum, it can move very quickly. So that would definitely be something I'm watching out for. Also, another one that I often look at, Baba, because it's a Chinese stock, and it seems to hold through a lot of ups and downs and bad news headlines. Okay. Baba took a pretty big dip here on the daily, 225. Now it's all the way down to 215. It closed at 216, so it's actually down from where it closed on Friday. It's something to watch, but at this point, not necessarily a very bullish signal. As you can see here, here's VWAP. It's way below the volume weighted average price, so I personally would wait until it looks like it's showing some signs of recovery and it looks like it's finding support there. It could be, but it's not looking strong. Also, the volume on Baba, ooh, look, it just printed a green candle with a bottom wick, so it's possible it could be getting bought here, but too soon to tell. Um, the volume is very low as well, so that is something to be wary of. Okay, so that's honestly what I'm looking at right now in the market. We have about exactly 29 minutes until market opens, so good luck everyone, and thanks for watching me. Bye!